Is NAS100 finally hitting a wall, or is this just the calm before a massive push to 28000? Please watch the full video. Looking at the 1-hour chart, the bullish momentum is undeniably strong. We have seen a consistent series of higher highs and higher lows, with multiple break of structure confirmations over the last few trading sessions. However, we are now entering a critical decision zone that every trader must watch closely. Right now, price is consolidating just below the major supply zone between 26,650 and 26750. This is exactly where the big institutional players make their move. If we see a clean breakout and a successful retest above 26,750, the next logical targets for this rally are 27,000, 27300, and potentially 27,600. The primary trend is clearly on the side of the bulls here, and momentum is strong. But there is a catch. The market has been moving almost vertically without a deep retracement, leaving a massive amount of liquidity untouched at lower levels. This often leads to a sharp correction. If the bears take control at this supply zone, we could see a quick drop back to the first demand zone at 26,200. If that support fails to hold, the next major institutional levels are sitting at 25,700 and all the way down at 24,700. From a smart money perspective, this consolidation could be one of two things: either a healthy reaccumulation for the next leg up or a distribution trap before a significant pullback. My professional advice? Don't jump in the middle. Wait for the market to show its hand at the 26,750 resistance. A strong daily close above confirms the rally, while a clear rejection with high volume signals a deep market correction. Watch these levels closely, stay disciplined, and manage your risk carefully. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.